All right, is everybody excited to use all of the new Kylie Holiday? I'm super excited. So I already used it last night and that mini tutorial will be up very soon. But for right now, we're just gonna do a whole tutorial using most of what came in the collection. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the primer. So this primer is different than the original. It matches my nails. This is the illuminating primer. I'm just gonna pop some in the back of my hand. I only did one pump and I just kind of wanted to work it in and see how it looks. Oh, hello, let's put that underneath my eye. That is so pretty. Has a very faint smell and it just makes your skin so luminous. Look how pretty. See the difference? Grabbing our P. Louise base and a dry blender. We're using shade number 2 today because we're going to do a more neutral, shimmery, pretty, spicy look. You already know. Spicy but neutral. All right, we're going to hop right into the palette. Look at it. Just look. I wanted to use this one. I swatched this one yesterday and I was just blown away. But we're going to start pretty neutral in our crease. We're going to, since I did such a wild look yesterday, we're going to keep it kind of tame. We are going to start with this shade right here. It's called Reindeer Dreams in a MAC 217. And we're just going to go ahead and tap this right into our crease. Look how pigmented. I wanted to show you up close how gorgeous and pigmented this is. And they blend amazing. Like I said, that red look was pretty spicy and a little hard to do, and those colors just blended amazing. Next up, we're going to grab Cali Christmas, and we're just going to pop this onto the brow bone and bring it down into Reindeer Dreams. Just tap those two together. Such a pretty transition shade. Now we're going to darken up our crease a little bit with this shade here called Peppermint Princess and the same MAC 217S, and we're just going to bring it right through here. I'm kind of just going to twirl my brush back and forth. I'm going to grab some of the P. Louise base that's still on the back of my hand, and we're just going to ever so lightly just kind of clean up our lid and give our shimmer that we're going to use something to really cling to. Okay, we're gonna go into Christmas Crush. Look how stunning. Look at that. And we're just gonna pop this all over our lid. Oh my goodness. Look how pigmented. That's so weird. The last one didn't have sound. That must have just been a glitch with Instagram because obviously all the rest of them do. And I have to manually turn the sound off, so I'm not sure what that was. On to foundation. Tutorial, there is one on my stories. My current favorite foundation at the moment, the Smith & Colt Veiled Threat. Warming up on the back of my hand. It already kind of warmed up. And we're just going to melt this into my skin. I'm not going to go too in-depth with foundation today. But if you want to see an in-depth foundation, let's grab our Kylie Concealer. This is in the shade Gypsum. This is my highlight shade. Down my nose. And then I'm going to grab Himalaya, which is more of my color corrector. And since I'm a little more, we'll call myself wintry. That's what I say instead of fair. We're just going to use a dot, but it's still going to cancel out any shadows. There we go. Okay, we're just going to work this in. Perfect. Just a little bit of that color corrector. Ooh, so pretty. I love this concealer. Grabbing my Kylie Soft Pink Powder, of course. We're going to work this in underneath our eyes until it completely disappears. Look at the difference. You can just watch that shadow just disappear. Okay, we're going to use the smallest amount of my Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. This is my favorite right now, you guys. It's so pretty and it blends amazing. And you just need a little bit. just can't get over it. Okay, I just wanted you guys to watch this blend out. Look at that. But then it's so perfectly warmed and shaped and sculpted. Look at this. To that small amount, we're just going to push it up and blend upwards. In the meantime, I'm going to throw on my lashes. These are from Lava Lashes in the style Jolie. They are my favorite right now. Look at that. It's just so spiky and pretty. Code ROSE for a discount on these. Okay, so now I'm going to line my waterline through here. I kind of already did, but I wanted to show you what I'm using. I'm using the Ofra Verified Eyeliner. It's so good, you guys. It's one of my favorites. So this is probably one of my favorite things from the collection. I just think it's so pretty, and I love the idea of a blush and a highlighter together. And I'm going to use one of the brushes from the brush collection as well. And you guys can just see this go on. Look how pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah, I like to smile and then kind of pull it upwards. Now we're going to grab the highlighter from the palette and one of the brushes. And we'll just pop this right here. I like it because it's more subtle and very buildable. Look how pretty that is. And then I'll just kind of blend up this way. I'm going to go ahead and spray the setting spray. I absolutely love the way this smells. Now, I haven't been able to test it out, but I know I'm going to love it. And also, I'm going to wear my makeup for a little while today, so I will give you guys an update. This, I'm super excited to try. All these different lip colors. I would have definitely gotten this if they hadn't sent this to me. I had my eye on this. I am super excited. I'm not really sure what color we're going to go for. I'm thinking this more mauve-y tone. I just posted a mini tutorial using the collection. I'm super excited. Make sure you give it a like and a comment. But there I'm using the lip kit. The red one. I forget the name, but it's there. So go check that out. So I'll swatch all of the lipsticks on my story since it's a pretty sunny day. But for right now, I'm going to grab the shade. What am I using here? Rosy Cheeks, and this is a matte lipstick. And I'm just going to line my lips first with just a little bit of Kylie lip liner in the shade Bare. Okay, now we're going to pop on the lipstick. I'm super excited. Oh, it's so pretty. So I wanted to create an ombre lip. I grabbed this shade. It's called Snowman. Get my inner corner highlight, you know, this right here. I am going to lather myself in this all season long. This is probably I'm gonna say it's my favorite because you guys know the inner corner highlight is everything. The shade is I See What You Mean, and it's one of the shimmer eye glazes. Get ready. Okay, real fast, no filter. The setting spray is so good because I feel like it didn't add too much moisture to my foundation. I hate when setting sprays do that, and that's one of the reasons I've kind of stopped using them. And I just feel like my makeup still looks the exact same as before I used it. Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. Anyways, it just looks perfect. This is a cute filter. Okay, I'm on my way to the grocery store now. We're gonna wear this for a little while. I am obsessed with everything. I added this gloss. I am going to be Kylie Cosmetic holidaying till the new year, okay? It's going to be non-stop. I am so grateful for everything, and I absolutely love everything. You guys already know that for so long I've been buying it. So just because it was sent, please know that I have been buying it now since it dadgum came out, and I've loved everything. So remember that. Okay. See ya in the vegetable department of Kroger. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on the setting spray. My makeup has not moved, nor does it look too dewy. I haven't touched up. I've had it on for a while. And like I said, I kind of stopped using setting sprays, but even the illuminating face primer, like, it just looks so good still.